Hello, I'm Gazza. I'm preparing a meal for me mates coming down here tonight. Whoops, I better put my cigarette out. I forgot that's a bit of a health hazard. Now, I'm just getting things ready and I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower soup. Now, I've never made this before, ever. So, I'm going to try it. I put all the top brand stuff. We're going to do fish fingers with cauliflower soup. I spent ages driving around to find this top brand, black and gold, nothing but the best for him. And our canola oil that we will be using, black and gold, nothing but the best goes into this. So I've done a pre-prep. I've actually cooked the cauliflower. Cauliflower's all cooked. I'm sort of one step ahead of you here tonight. And in the recipe it says to use garlic. Well, I never had garlic, so I used onion. And in my onion I put some turmeric, some ginger, a little bit of garlic that I had, you know, that was just about ready to be thrown out. But I managed to get a couple little bits off it. So we all sort of pre-cooked that, so it's all ready to go. So here's the secret. Here's the secret. Now, I've never done this before, but also in our fridge we have the special secret. Shredded tasty cheese. Look at that brand. Black and gold. I searched for 2 weeks before I could find this. It is so rare, this stuff. So we're going to add a little bit of that to it as well. So first of all, what we're going to do, we have a blender here. So we're going to take the cauliflower out of here with a little spoon, gets rid of the moisture. We're going to add it to the blender. Just like that. Looking good. Whoa. Getting a bit full there, I might have too much. So we're going to add the onions, garlic with ginger. And some, what else did I put in there? I just threw a bit of everything in there, you know, doesn't matter. If we're alive tomorrow, it's a bonus. So we're going to put all that in there, into the blender. And we're going to chuck that into the fry pan, give it a bit of water. Should be alright, be able to use that again tomorrow. And there we have it. So what we're going to do then, we're going to add a cup full of milk. A cup full of milk. It's about 2 weeks old, so it should be nice and mature. Hopefully it'll be okay. It'll be right. So we're going to add that to there. Then we're going to see what happens. We're going to put the lid on the blender and we're going to give it a bit of a turn. Now I might have to add a bit more cabbage to this. I'm not sure. I've never done this before. We're going to stop that right now. Oh, it's looking good. I'm going to put the rest of the cabbage in there. By the way, I use a whole cabbage. Black and gold brand. So we're going to get rid of all that in there. I added some a lot of salt, a lot of pepper. Just put that over there. We might see how we go here. Well, hang on, I'll just have another drink first. It just helps the cooking, you know. So what we're going to do, we might add a little bit more milk to this, I think. top quality milk, black and gold. Now we're going to, it's looking a strange colour, it's not supposed to be green, but we'll see what happens. Let's give her another hit. See what we got here. As I said, first time I've ever done it. But then once that's done, we will pour that all over the fish fingers, black and gold, top quality, top shelf stuff. And we'll add a little bit of shredded tasty cheese, again, top brand. You'll never know the difference. Let's see how we go here. We've got our blend done. We'll do a little bit of tasting. See if I can find the spoon here. We'll do a little bit of tasting. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Hey? Let's see what it tastes like now. Oh, magnificent. I think I might even get a bit of vodka and put in here, or make a vodka cocktail. But there she is. There's the end result. So what we're going to do, we're then going to pour that. No, I might preheat these first. So we might put the video on pause, do a little preheat, then we'll add that to it, and that will be the final thing. You'll never know the difference. This will be perfect. We'll spray it with a little bit of our black and gold, as I said. You drive for miles just to find something like this stuff. It is so good. So we're gonna slip that in the oven for a little while. If I can get it started. Sometimes it makes a bit of a boom here, so just stand back and just be careful. So I always watch it for a minute, and ooh, nothing's happening. Oh, look out, there she goes. We're away. I've got a bit of flame down there, so I'm going to stick the old, what's the name in here? Shut her up, sit back and have a drink. Wait for it all to happen. Wow, first time I've ever made it. Oh. I have to start selling it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, we're going to preheat them for a little while now. Now slip her up a bit higher. Up to about the maximum that I can get here, and let's just hope that this machine doesn't blow up. It's it was put in by dodgy brothers, and had no guarantee with it, but so far it's been going good. So they're starting to heat up now. Then we'll add the ingredients, and we'll put some of this lovely, lovely, lovely cheese, which I'm going to open up with my special knife bought from Aldi's, an Aldi knife. We're going to just slice the corner off here, like that. I was going to use my other cheese here, but I think it's just gone past the use by date. I I could probably wash it out. It's got a bit of the green stuff in it, but I mean, it's only good for your health and that. So, I think I'll use the fresh stuff tonight. Might use that next week when I'm cooking for someone else. So we're going to use some nice fresh cheese. Well, black and gold, as I said. Drove for 2 days looking for this cheese. Couldn't find it anywhere. So we're going to, now, we're going to bring the fish fingers out of the oven. Look at that. Just starting to sizzle. We're going to pour a little bit of our over the top, like that. We're just going to smooth it around a little bit. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Now we're going to add some of our top grade cheese, black and gold. And I'll just have another drink while I'm, this is very hot work, this. Okay, slip that back in the fridge. It'll be good for another 4 weeks, hopefully, before it goes green. There's a little, look at that, hey? A little bit more topping on top of this with bit of cheese. And we'll save the rest for the final thing. Oh, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I'm going to slip that in the oven. It'll be here pretty shortly, so thanks for watching. Tune in next time for our next video.